Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we will introduce Traco Power TMPW AC DC converters with screw connectors. Traco Power has introduced an expansion of the TMPW series of AC-DC converters with new models featuring screw connectors for panel mounting, catering to an even wider range of applications in industrial automation. Request a sample for your project. The Traco Power TMPW family consists of several AC-DC converters with a power range of 5 to 50 watts and an extended input range of 90 to 305 volts AC, suitable for industrial applications as well as automation power supply applications for homes and buildings. New connection method of Traco Power AC-DC converters of TMPW series. To expand the range of applications in industrial automation, Traco Power has introduced AC-DC modules with screw terminals as an additional type of connection. This has resulted in a series with 3 different types of connections: through-hole, JST, and screw terminal, in combination with the standard features of the Traco Power TMPW series power supplies. Pavel Kovač, a product specialist at SOS Electronic, comments on this innovation. Screw terminals offer several advantages when used in power modules on chassis. They provide a secure and robust connection, are easy to install, and do not require special tools or skills such as wire crimping. Moreover, screw terminals are suitable for a wide range of wire sizes and types, making them versatile for various applications. This flexibility is especially important for power modules to adapt to different design preferences and industrial standards. I/O with an isolation voltage of 4000 volts AC, a temperature range of -40 to +70 degrees Celsius, and compliance with safety standards such as IEC EN UL 62368-1 and EN 60335-1. These AC-DC converter series are suitable for a wide range of industrial applications and applications in home and building automation. Key features of TMPW AC-DC converters by Traco Power: compact panel mount power module, wide input voltage range from 90 to 305 volts AC, certified according to EN 60335-1 and IEC EN UL 62368-1, I/O isolation of 4000 volts AC, operating temperature range from -40 to +70 degrees Celsius, input power without load less than 0.1 watts, according to ERP directive, high efficiency up to 88%, built-in EN 55032 Class B filter, ready for protection Class 2, 3-year product warranty. Overview of Traco Power TMPW AC-DC converters by connection type. In short, screw terminals offer reliability, ease of use, versatility, and the benefits of efficient maintenance for panel-mounted power modules. These advantages collectively contribute to the overall performance and user-friendliness of AC-DC converters in various applications, concludes Pavel Kovač. Are you interested in more information about Traco Power power supplies or technical advice in product selection? Or do you have any other questions or requests? Please don't hesitate to contact us. We would be happy to assist you. Try a sample for your project. Do you need to test a component during development? Don't hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to provide you a sample for your project. Each request is evaluated individually, so please briefly introduce your project in the form on our website. We provide samples only for development projects, not for personal use by individuals. Thank you for your understanding. For more information, please visit us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.